Welcome back to Vital Vibes. Today, we're diving into the world of gut health and exploring the top 5 foods that can help keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. It aids digestion, boosts immunity, and even impacts your mood. So, what are the best foods to nourish your gut? Here are our top 5 picks. First on our list are fermented foods. These foods, like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir, are rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. Regular consumption of fermented foods can help balance the gut flora and improve digestion. Next up, we have fiber-rich foods. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables are excellent sources of dietary fiber. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting regular bowel movements. Garlic and onions are not only great for adding flavor to your meals, but they also contain prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that nourish the probiotics in your gut, helping them thrive and support your digestive health. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients help reduce inflammation in the gut and support the growth of beneficial bacteria. Last but not least, nuts and seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet for gut health. Almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts provide fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that support a healthy gut lining and promote overall digestive health. Incorporating these 5 foods into your diet can significantly boost your gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy body and mind. Thanks for watching Vital Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and wellness advice.